Tzu Chi volunteers traveled from Bangkok to Songkhla Province to begin assessing the damage caused by the recent floods. What they saw on their way there left all of them stunned.
洪水来的时候，这些牛它要逃离，所以它们就跑到地势比较高的地方。我们可以看到这一区，它的地是比其他的地还要高的，他们就跑到上面逃难。可是因为洪水太高了，所以他们还是在这里被淹死了。
The cattle remain on the hill with no plan yet for removal. But in other areas, floodwaters still haven't receded and many families are forced to use the stagnant water to wash their mud-caked belongings.
这个区现在有一个问题，就是水利没有办法供应，因为所有的马达的供水已经都坏了，所以我们尽快来跟县政府讲，是不是呢送车过来的水，让他们能来洗盘子、锅盆这一些生活日用品。
Volunteers use small boats to get to some of the homes still partly underwater. Damage from the flood can be seen everywhere. It's a clear reminder of how the climate crisis is altering storm patterns, and it's the most vulnerable families who are getting hit the hardest. The children are too young to grasp what's happened, and the elderly can only sit with their worry. Volunteers bring supplies, but it's the emotional support these families need most. Volunteers continued their assessment work here in Jana District, one of the hardest hit areas in Songkhla Province. Meanwhile in Bangkok, preparations are moving quickly. Tzu Chi Thailand has procured 3,000 sets of household and cleaning supplies. They will be sent to Jana District for distribution on December 3rd and 4th, Dai TV reports.